How to restore WhatsApp chats on Android from any backup. Firstly, make sure that you have backed up your data on WhatsApp. Now open WhatsApp on your device and make sure you are in the chat section. At the bottom panel, you can see the different sections. Now at the top right corner, click on the three dot icon. After that, select the option Settings. Inside Settings, you should see the option Chats. Click on Chats and scroll down. Now select the option Chat Backup. You can see the backup file's size, which is 4.1 GB, and also you can see the last backup. The last backup was 23rd November, and any data from that date has not been included. If you want to include that too, then click on Backup. Once you have backed up all the data, then delete the WhatsApp app. After deleting, reinstall the WhatsApp app and start the setup process. While setting up, this kind of interface will come up: Restore or Transfer Chat. Make sure to select Restore from Backup and continue, and that way your data can be restored. That's all for today. Thank you.